I've got to. Mhm. I've got to gotta. Mhm. Rocks is the opposite. The word is gotta, and the definition is have got to. Switch. So, parenthesis obligation, Jesse also. How do you use it? When you have an obligation, you need to go, right? I've gotta go. I've gotta go. I need to buy chicken for tomorrow. I don't have chicken. I gotta buy chicken for tomorrow. Tell me something you need to do tomorrow, Diane.
I gotta go. No, I gotta go to work.
You gotta go to work. Good one. Tell me something you need to do tomorrow, yes.
I gotta make the meal.
Okay, but play?
Meal?
But do what with the meal?
I gotta make dinner, maybe. A meal.
Okay, well, make the meal, the meal. I think you want to say the lunch.
Yes. The
Eliminate the. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We never say that.
Okay, I gotta make meal.
Again, you want to say lunch, not meal, because
Okay.
meal is the plate per se,
Okay.
but breakfast is a meal, lunch is a meal, and dinner is a meal. The three are meals. So if you
Okay.
say I gotta make the meal, I don't understand what meal.
Okay, so I have to say specific.
Always.
Okay, I gotta make dinner tomorrow.
I gotta make dinner. That's correct.
I make dinner tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. That's right. And finally, Rox, some obligation for tomorrow?
I gotta send many emails.
I gotta send many emails. That's it. So now, British English, the letter T is very strong. So listen to this.
Gotta. Gotta.
Everybody, got to.
Gotta.
Got
Got to. Listen.
Guys, see you later. 9. I wonder if you could help me. I appear to be lost. 8. Gotta go now, guys. See you later.
Oh, she pronounced like American English. Did you understand that?
I just heard gotta, but I don't.
Uh-huh. Gotta, guys.
See you
Let's
later.
listen. Yeah, see you later. No, that's the next expression, but let's listen to this one over here. I'm terribly. And I gotta what? What is the obligation for this person? Help me, Rose. 1, 2, 3, action.
8. Gotta go now, guys. See you later.
Gotta go?
Very good. Gotta go.
No, I don't know more.
All right, no problem.
Now,
Yes, I am. Very good. Gotta go now, guys. Very fast, but it's there. Listen.
Allow me to fetch you another.
8. Gotta go now, guys. See you later.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
That's it. Good job. Number 9. Diane. What do you have?
I have that is formal, but I don't wrote nothing because I don't remember.
No problem. Oh, be careful. I didn't write.
I didn't write.
I didn't write. But you understood formal, and that's correct. It is formal. Let's listen why.
9. I wonder if you could help me. I appear to be lost.
I wonder
Mhm.
you could help me.
Mhm. The first word is I wonder.
I wonder if you could help me.
Well, if you could help me, that's the easy part. The difficult part, the new expression was I wonder,
Okay.
right? In what cases do you use I wonder? You seem familiar with it.
Mm, well, I have heard that word when you said, mm, maybe a synonym will be I was thinking, I was, mm, no, like asking. I don't know how to say, but there is also a lot of songs about it. There's one that is about Kenny West that is called I Wonder, and
Interesting.
asking
Teacher,
something.
is
Wow.
a synonym of looking for, no?
Almost. Almost.
Mm,
Do you remember that from previous classes, Rox?
no, teacher.
No? How do you know it's looking for? Because it's very kind of but not physical looking for. It's more like, oh, let me check the synonyms. But it's very common. It's in songs, it's in music, it's in TV shows, movies. Everybody says I wonder. So it makes sense that Diane knows this expression. And then Rox, you probably have heard that before. So wonder as a verb. Let me
But
find the verb.
if you have like doubt of something, I don't know how to explain it.
Look at this. You said doubt, right?
Yes.
Tada. Wonder is a doubt. Is when you consider and you think about different options, you are thinking about the probabilities, you are always, thinking and thinking and thinking about the same thing, then you are wondering. Okay. Take that as a note. Wonder, synonym doubt, think. If you are familiar with the word ponder, put it in. It's the same as in Spanish. Ponder. If you don't know what is ponder in Spanish, use doubt and think. Very good. So let's find the rest of the expressions. Jessie, help me.
Gotta go now, guys. See you later. 9. I wonder if you could help me. I appear to be lost.
I wonder if you will help me. I've lost.
Sorry. Okay, very good. The important words are here. because lost is not formal or informal. But
Mhm.
this is a formal expression. Okay, Rox, help me.
Maybe wonder you?
Can you repeat?
No. Wonder you? In the first part.
I wonder you, no. When you say I wonder, that's all the expression. You don't need more information.
Okay. Help me.
Okay. Probably the extra information we can say is I wonder if, but that's it. Finish.
Okay.
All right, let's check the other again.
9. I wonder if you could help me. I appear to be lost.
I think I have it.
No, teacher. Let me finish.
All right. Don't you worry, Diane can help you. Actually, Diane.
I pit of being lost.
Uy. Eliminate. What did you say first?
Pit.
Hit? No. Eliminate that one. So I'm gonna help you. The word that connects this one is a vowel. Okay. There is a vowel immediately after I. Listen and raise your hand.
9. I wonder if you could help me. I appear to be lost.
Who has it?
Appear?
Good job. Very good, Rox. Appear. That is totally correct.
I appear be lost.
Close, very good. Rox, with this information, you can tell me the missing word. Find the grammatical reason. Again?
In?
I appear in B. We cannot say in B. We never say that. Find the logic. There is a grammatical possibility here. Only one possibility.
Mm,
If Rox doesn't have it, what about Diane and Jess? Did you hear it?
appearly? No?
Clearly,
Appearly?
you are inventing words.
Okay.
You are
No, teacher.
very strange. Very strange combinations. New word. Appear is a verb and be is a verb.
Okay. Yes.
The cookie in this case is appear to be. Every pronunciation appear to be.
Appear to be.
Appear to be.
Appear to be is similar to say I seem. But because it's formal, look, the definition of appear to be complete is the same as if only you say appear. The interesting thing is that only appear is normal conversation, but appear to be is formal conversation. Do you know the meaning of appear?
Is like in Spanish or no?
No. In this case, I need to give you Spanish because appear is a very easy word in the dictionary. Appear is level A2. And the word here is similar to seem, parecer. parecer en el sentido de apariencia. A word that I usually associate with the word appear for memorization is the word apparently.
Apparently.
I like to associate the word apparently with appear. So I don't think in the word aparecer, you know. Take a note. Appear to be similar to see. That's a cookie. Don't forget to put it as a cookie too. Appear to be and put there that this is a cookie. The last one. Go. Yes.
The last
What do you
one
remember?
I have this is informal,
You have it informal. That is actually correct.
but I don't have a sentence.
But you don't have
I
a
don't.
sentence.
I didn't write.
Well, let's listen to it.
Please.
Ten.
No worries. Another time, maybe. See you later.
No worries. Maybe another time.
Repeat, please.
See you. No worries. Maybe another time.
Maybe another time.
See you later.
See you later. I think the informal expression here is only no worries and see you later. That automatically puts it in the informal area. All right, my people? Very interesting job. Let me send you this information through your WhatsApp, and please take a note of the expressions that are new for you, because tomorrow we are going to use these expressions in a conversation and in the listening. We need to understand and apply these words in a normal conversation. All right, so let me send it to you. 7 o'clock. Oh, 7 o'clock. Night, no morning. Right? Study those words, study these expressions, memorize them, and let's finish some minutes before because I need to make a phone call. All right? So we finish for today.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank
Have a
you,
wonderful day, girls.
Thanks.
Good
You
night.
too.
You.
Have a
Bye.
good night.
See you.
Bye.
Good night.